Welcome, kin family. We shall continue our series of letters. Today we shall discuss words starting with the letter X. X for Xerus. Xerus is the name of ground squirrels living in Africa. Xerus love to spend time with its friend. That's why they always hang out in groups. Thus, they help each other and have a good time. X for Xerus. X for X-ray fish. They are really small fishes. They can be about 2 inches long. Their fins and tail helps them swim in water. They are very friendly fish and can be ideal to put in a fish tank as they can get along easily with other fishes. X for X-ray fish. X for Ximenia. It is a tree in which the leaves are oval shaped and bright green. It has a strong almond smell. They are smaller in size, but some can grow up to 10 meters tall. X for Ximenia. X for Xmas tree. An Xmas tree is none other than a Christmas tree that we celebrate on 25th December as Christmas Day. It is believed to be a sign of good luck. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. Xylophone is a musical school instrument that has bars of different size, 7 letters and 7 colored arranged side by side. X for xylophone. X for xenops. Xenops is a small bird that lives in rainforests. It is 5-inch long and makes its nest in an old tree. They feed on insects. X for xenops. X for Zoloid squintly or Zolo dog. Zolo dogs are very friendly pets. They are clean as they don't have furs or hair over their skin. They are very loyal to their owner once they bond. X for Zoloid squintly or Zolo dog. Let's recap quickly. X for Xerus, X-ray fish. Ximania, X-mystery. Xylophone, xenops bird. Zolowitz squintly or Zolo dog. Hope it was a learning topic for you. If you enjoyed, do like and subscribe our channel and be a part of our kin family.